this is Naughty Unicorn 36, and I'm over at ILS 36's house. 360, sorry. And you can see. Oh yeah, ILS 360 is putting away all of his lawnmowers and stuff, and you can see that we're in the middle of a giant snowstorm. You might even. It's huge. It's actually my first one. And no, I'm not a baby. It's just, yeah. Anyway.
It's his first snowstorm.
Yeah, it's my first snowstorm. Anyway, so.
Pretty intense to be his first.
What?
So, I said it's pretty intense to be the first.
Yeah. Uh-oh. The light went out. The chicken's light.
What?
The chicken's light.
The chicken's light?
Yeah. Anyway, so, we have some awesome movies coming up. I am actually in my suit right now, but, we don't want to show you it because I'm covered in snow, you know. So, we have a bunch of shows coming up, and, it's gonna be awesome. Just go onto my channel, ILS 360's channel. Yeah. There's a lot of snow, as you can see. You can hear it, me stepping in it, and there's lots of snow out. Right, he fixed the chicken's light. Woo! Here, let's just get that off. Chicken's light. Ooh. These are his chickens.